All right, so now let's talk about the joy factor. Which projects statistically nationwide maximize the joy factor in doing remodels around your house? Well, coming in at number 10 is a new garage door with a joy factor of 7.0. Number 9, new siding with a joy factor of 7.3. Number 8, exterior paint with a joy factor of 8.8. The ones that's near and dear to my heart coming in at number 7, new wood floors with a joy factor of 9.1. Something that comes in at number 6 is an easy one. Painting a room has a joy factor of 9.3. At number 5, a bathroom renovation comes in with a joy factor of 9.6. Number 4, we see the heart of the home again. A kitchen renovation, whether it's a complete renovation or just a minor improvement, comes in at a whopping 9.7 joy factor, which leaves us with a 3-way tie for first place. All of these bring a joy factor of 10. Minor kitchen renovations, adding a new primary suite, and nobody would have guessed, a new roof. So remember, when you're getting ready to do home projects, first seek the counsel and advice of a licensed, insured, professional contractor, and also consult your professional real estate agent about what it means in your area for ROI, return on investment, meaning what's going to maximize your cost recovery, increasing your value in the market, and then think about what's going to increase your joy factor.